Are you tired of running out of power during your outdoor adventures? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, ZOUPW100W Portable Solar Panel. The ZOUPW100W Portable Solar Panel is an eye-catcher with its sleek design and robust features, priced at $106.99. What stood out to me was its impressive 23.5% efficiency. If you want reliable power while camping or in emergencies, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The high efficiency means you can generate more electricity even in less than ideal sunlight, making it ideal if you're in a shady spot or facing cloudy weather. With the 5-in-1 universal connectivity, you can charge up to 99% of power stations on the market, which simplifies things if you own multiple devices. Plus, it's IP67 waterproof, meaning it can withstand rain and splashes, so you don't have to worry about sudden weather changes. Now, some people complained about its weight being a bit heavy at 9.48 pounds. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for an ultra-portable panel, this might feel cumbersome, but for the power it delivers, it's manageable for most outdoor excursions. This is perfect for you if you frequently go camping or need a reliable power source for your RV. Skip this one if you're just looking for something lightweight that you can carry effortlessly. For its price, it's a solid investment for peace of mind in the great outdoors. Now, if ZOUPW's weight bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Flex Solar 100W Portable Solar Panel, priced at $79.99. Its ultra-lightweight design caught my attention immediately. If you're looking for something that's easy to transport without sacrificing power, this one deserves your attention. This panel weighs only 4.1 pounds, making it super portable and perfect for hiking or camping. It also offers versatile emergency charging solutions with USB-A, PD 3.0 USB-C, and DC outputs, so you can easily charge your phones or power stations even in the wild. The IP67 waterproof rating means you can confidently use it in various weather, ensuring that your devices stay powered even if the rain catches you off guard. I did find some user reviews mentioning that it could use a little more power output during peak demand times, but honestly, if you're using it for light devices or occasional charging, it excels in those areas. This is perfect for you if you're adventure ready and need something lightweight to carry around. Skip this one if you plan to power larger devices constantly. For its price, it's a great value for the portability it provides. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need consistent energy.
Product number 3, Gressel 100W Portable Solar Panel. The Gressel 100W Portable Solar Panel comes in at an attractive price of $79.99. The first thing that struck me was its promise of high efficiency at a competitive cost. This is worth a serious look if you want reliable power without breaking the bank. What makes it stand out is the ability to connect with most solar generators thanks to its versatile adapter options. This means you can use it for a variety of power stations, giving you flexibility. Plus, its 23.5% efficiency means you're getting a robust return on those sunny days. The foldable design is also super convenient for transport, making it easy to set up and use on any flat surface. However, I did notice some reviews indicating that the connectors can be a bit tricky to manage at times. Here's the thing though, if you're someone who's tech savvy, you'll likely find a way to make it work without too much hassle. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable option for RV camping or extended outdoor trips. Skip this one if you don't want to deal with any setup time. For the price point, it's an excellent deal for the performance it offers. Now, if Gressel's connectors concerned you, the next product is designed with user-friendliness in mind.
Product number 4, the Renogy 100-watt solar panel, priced at $87.99. The first thing that hit me was its remarkable 25% conversion efficiency. If you're serious about maximizing your energy output, this panel is worth considering. The Renogy panel employs advanced technology to minimize the risk of hot spots, meaning more consistent performance over time. Its compact size and high durability make it ideal for small spaces, like rooftop setups on RVs or marine applications. It's built to last with an IP65 rating, so you don't have to worry about harsh weather ruining your investment. Some users pointed out that it can feel a bit heavier than expected at 13 pounds, but I'll be real with you. Considering the extra power and durability it offers, that weight feels justified for serious outdoor enthusiasts. This is perfect for you if you need a durable panel that can stand the test of time. Skip this one if you're looking for something lightweight and easily portable. The investment is worthwhile for the efficiency and longevity you get. Now, if Renogy's weight was a concern for you, let's check out one more that balances efficiency and portability.
Product number 5, Lovenit 100W Portable Solar Panel. We have the Lovenit 100W Portable Solar Panel priced at $62.99. The first thing that impressed me was its high conversion efficiency at 24%. If you're looking for an economical yet powerful option, this one could be your answer. This panel's versatility means it can charge everything from power stations to smartphones, making it an all-in-one solution for outdoor activities. It's also built to endure various weather conditions thanks to its IP65 water-resistant material. You can trust it to perform no matter where you are. However, some customers mentioned that it could be less effective in extreme weather conditions. Here's the thing though, if you're using it for typical outdoor activities, it holds up quite well and provides stable energy. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly option that still delivers quality performance. Skip this one if you need a panel that can handle extreme conditions regularly. Overall, it's a great value for the performance you get. To wrap things up, if I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Renogy 100W solar panel because of its high efficiency and durability. Avoid the Lovenit if you're looking for something that performs well in harsh conditions. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.
To quickly compare, we looked at the ZOUPW for its connectivity, the Flex Solar for its lightweight design, the Grecell for versatility, the Renogy for high efficiency, and the Lovekit for affordability. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Renogy 100W solar panel because of its high efficiency and durability. Avoid the Lovekit if you're looking for something that performs well in harsh conditions.